Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You first gather essentials and begin coding now. Install Node.js, run npm init, and add Axios or use the built-in fetch when on Node 18 or newer. Once done, create a env file and store your API key there, then add env2. Git ignore so keys stay private. Make an index, JS file and require .env at the top. This gets you immediately ready to write a simple request function without wasting time on peripheral setup. Next, implement the core request logic with an async function that calls fetch or Axios. Use destructured options so you can pass method, path, and body. Include headers for authorization and content type as needed. Forget append query parameters with URL search params for post JSON. Stringify the body. Make sure to await the response check response. OK, then parse response. JSON. This structure separates concerns and makes debugging and reusing the function straightforward. Finally, test your implementation by running node index.js and inspect the console for parsed JSON or error details. When ready, secure keys with process. Env and avoid printing secrets. Consider using a config layer for different environments. Add simple retries and a timeout wrapper to handle transient failures. For deployment, ensure environment variables are set in your hosting service. Troubleshooting tip: if requests fail, log full response status and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.